morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am simply OLA. Right, today I am just trying to teach us one sensory activity we could do with the children, especially the babies and the toddlers. What we could do is just to add some paint and shaving foam or shaving gel into a zip seal bag, and then you seal everything together and then you give it to the children to explore. Or different or glitter, or these are scrunched up papers, anything you can add into the zip seal bag, add them and then you seal them all together. Zip them up and then you leave it for the children to explore. And at the moment I've got all this that has been made. I've got pasta in here. You can add rice, lentils, whatever you see you add, just for the children to explore. You can leave some plain with nothing in them, and then you could talk on hard, soft, squish, squash, exploring textures. And if you want just the shaving foam alone, it is fine. It is just for children to, understand the world around them, really. Please do not leave all the children unattended to. This is a way of children learning about their world. This activity develops their cognitive skills and it helps them to understand the world around them. And whatever word or language you can give while they are exploring. We just add a bit of the shaving gel. And add some paint, different colors. I've got blue color here, and I'm also going to mix it again with a different color, maybe yellow, and see what happens. There we go, and a yellow paint. Should I add a bit of red to it as well? And I'm going to seal everything up into the bag, and we expect the children to play with it. There you are. It is slippery, squishy, it is squashy, squeeze, and you can start using different languages for the children as well. There we go. It's a sensory activity for the children. But remember, please, so it's a sensory activity for them. The children enjoy it. This is one done. It's good for their cognitive development as well as their language. Because the more they explore, they tend to learn the world around them, and you also, because you're with them, you give them the language. Children are very curious by nature. They want to know why or how things are happening or what is happening. And that is the end of my video today. If you do like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.